Alright, it's currently almost 6:30. Yeah. And this is what a full day of food looks like. Well, for me. This is all I need. Alright, so let's get this video started. I'm going over breakfast right now. The reason I'm not talking, I'm not leaving the actual voiceover, because my morning voice isn't that great. Here we have our things for the whole day. We got a banana, blueberries, walnuts, our lunch, the yogurt, the cereal, and the protein powder. That's for the whole entire day, which is not that bad, really. So to make the yogurt, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is get 2 big spoonful of the yogurt, and we just mix it up with protein powder. Choose your flavor. The flavor does not really matter. You do you. So 2 spoonfuls, the protein powder, mix it up, stir it up slowly, and after that, I either add blueberries and cereal. It's up to you. It's really up to you. You decide what's better for you. Alright, so yeah, we got a half cup of walnuts here for, a light snack. At the end of the day, we got the yogurt, our lunch, and yeah. So on to the chicken, always clean your chicken, not with soap, okay?
No ketchup, just sauce, raw sauce.
I did teriyaki, I know, it's whatever. Then, put a little bit of oil. Put a little bit of oil, slap your chicken inside of it. Then, you let it sit there for a bit at high. I recommend like 8 minutes. Then after that, you flip the chicken over after the 8 minutes and put on, a top and let it sit there for at least 10 minutes on, on a medium. So here we're reviewing all the food I bought. In total, it cost me $77.84. I'll be going over each of these food. When do I eat them, basically. Alright, so here we got, starting with the walnuts. This big bag cost me about $15. I'm rounding it up. So $15, it's not that bad. I use it for, what's it called? A light snack at the end of the day. The Greek yogurt, this was about $4 to $5. I use it for the breakfast. Then the boneless and skinless chicken breast, I use this as lunch. This actually is a 6-pack. I just cut half of it and put it in the freezer, which turned out to be a lot. Like, it's a lot of chicken breast. It's like 2 in each pack. That was like $22. Blueberries, not much that I can say. They were just $7. We got the turkey breast. That's about $10 right there. This could also be used for breakfast and all that. The turkey bacon, low in calories, also can be used in breakfast as well. So that's not that bad. And the turkey bacon was $8. Then we got the cereal. I chose Raisin Bran because, why not? It was about $8, $9. So after your 10 minutes of chicken, now your chicken is done.
Look at all those chickens.
Alright, so now for the spinach. It's pretty simple, really. You just get your oil once again, and on a high, basically. We're gonna have some garlic with it. So what I did, I grabbed a spoonful of garlic, right? And I got this frozen bag of spinach. Because that's the only thing I had. So I had the frozen bag of spinach. I got the garlic.
You wanna roast the garlic?
Boy. Anyway, then you put the frozen bag of spinach in there, and it's pretty simple. Keep stirring it around for 10 minutes, and it should be done. So during this time, I'm just letting this video roll on, During this time, if you haven't downloaded MyFitnessPal app, you should do it right now. What I like about this app is that if you don't know what you're eating, then this helps you out. Gives you all the calories, and your macros, nutrients, all that. Just type in the name of the food, and it'll search it up for you, and boom, right there. You can track it all there. And depending what you want to do, you either gotta stay below your maintenance level or stay above it. So what I do, my maintenance level is like 2,400 or 500. Let's say it's 2,500. So what I do to lose weight, I'm cutting 500 calories. So I'm basically eating 2,000 calories a day. If I want to add weight, however, I'm gonna be eating about 3,000 calories a day, which is, losing weight. It's a bit harder. But you do what you want to do. Just make sure everything's healthy, and you'll be good. Healthy food and good workouts, and you should be set. Alright, so now spinach is done, which is, wasn't really that hard. Oh yeah, steamy spinach. Now for the rice, I didn't make a video for the rice because I didn't make the rice. Alright, chicken, containers, some rice, spinach. Basically what I need. Let's see, let's find a spoon. So let's start off right here. Grab your chicken. That's good enough, or you could grab more. I'm just doing one to see how much I have left. So this rice is like a day old, which is not that bad. So I just grab like 1 spoonful and 1 or 2. Actually, yeah, maybe 2. Yeah. Right. That's good enough. Some spinach. And yeah, do that. Doesn't look much. But remember, you got your snacks throughout the day. This is just a small lunch. So yeah, I do this like 6 times. And let's see what we have for leftovers. Okay, so yep, extra chicken, 2 spoons of spinach and rice in each container. Looks pretty good. Successful meal prep.